the 11th Judicial District Attorney's Office in Farmington. If you would like to speak to one of our agents, please press 1. If you would like to leave a voicemail, please press 2.
Yes, Rachel. I'm not sure how you may be able to direct my call. I'm calling to, I believe that this was given the number for Records Division.
Okay, we don't really have a Records Division. What is it that you're looking for?
Okay. I need, apparently there is a warrant out for an arrest on an individual, and I need the officers' names that are involved in that incident.
Okay, if that's the kind of information you're looking for, your best bet is going to be to go to the agency that handled whatever the incident was. We typically don't get those until the officer sends them over, so I couldn't even guarantee that we would have anything.
Right. And see, and that's one of the issues, is that I've been attempting to contact the Records Division from the New Mexico State Police for the past month and a half now, and I've not been able to have anybody in their office pick up their telephone. And so I'm not able to get the name from there, and I've been calling the courts here in Farmington, and they've been telling me I have no court dates, no arrest warrants. But I looked up and I got this case that I was involved in. It was an accident, and there were some things that took place in that. And so I started calling around further, and I found that I have a warrant for my arrest, but it's in Aztec. And so I just needed to know. And see, here's the deal. This prosecution at this point, the police officers involved, as well as the hospital staff, have conspired, along with the attorneys, to harm individuals in the care of the county jail, and to not receive representation through the offices herein. And so I don't know who to actually speak to, but there's quite a bit of fear taking place here with what I've seen. And so I would like to know who I could receive these records from before I'm arrested and taken and harm caused to me over these things.
Okay, what is your name?
The arrest warrant is for Dante Espinoza. Dante, D-A-N-T-E, E-S-P-I-N-O-Z-A, and there is a conspiracy taking place, and it has me in fear right now. And if this warrant goes through and something happens, your office is on notice. Dante, D-A-N-T-E. And if this individual has worked for your offices, you may need to call in a special prosecutor. So if you could please give me the name of the officers involved that I can file a complaint with somebody, I would greatly appreciate it. But I can't go in there blind and be arrested and taken in this conspiracy. And I refuse to do so.
Okay, which individual are you?
I don't know. I need the names, and I need the records. And I don't obtain the records unless I go in. And if I go in, harm is caused to me. So what can we do, ma'am? I've given you the name. Is there a name of an officer on there that I can begin with?
Are you Dante Espinosa?
Is there a name of an officer on the police report that I can begin with, ma'am?
If you're not involved in the case, I can't give you that information.
Okay, well, I'm in fear for my life. And so you're part of the conspiracy according to this tape recording, ma'am. Your office, if she's worked for you. And so I am extremely,
Who are you referring to?
I don't know. I don't have a name. And that's why I'm asking you, will you please give me the name of the police officer who issued the warrant that I may begin there? I'm asking again for the name of the police officer involved because I've been attempting to contact the New Mexico State Police for the last month and a half and I've knocked on their door twice, not understanding of this conspiracy, and they've not opened for me to give me the records. And now that I know this, I'm not willing to go knock on that door again.
Okay, all I can tell you is that the name of the officer that is on this case for Dante Espinosa
Yes.
is Officer Detsoy from New Mexico State Police.
Okay, will you spell that for me, please?
DETSOI.
DETSOI. Is there a badge number involved?
No, sir, I don't have the
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. And I do advise your office to review the tapes and the evidence involved. Thank you very much. You will be hearing from me shortly. Have a great day.
Okay, you have a